Well, there we go. Looks like it is actually working. I, I had this amazing, wow, my teeth they're not that yellow. All right. Wow. Ugh. I had this amazing background for you. And then like the last minute, I couldn't make my green screeny thing background. So there you go, whatever. So welcome to our very exciting event on how to set up a website using SquareSpace. Squarespace is a very interesting tool set that has really taken the world by storm. I think. There we go. There we go. I just wanted to wait for me to make sure. There. Okay, good. So wait. Wait. There's two of me. There's two of me. That drives me nuts. There we go. Whew. Okay, good. Sorry about that. One sage is plenty. So for years, a long time, I have used very happily and still very happily been using WordPress. And WordPress is a fine tool. There is nothing wrong with WordPress at all. I have no qualms about WordPress. I have nothing bad to say about WordPress. But what I can tell you is that WordPress is one of these things that is it has a lot of features. Let me say it that way. That WordPress is a tool that allows you to do a lot of things. And because of that, we find that it can be overwhelming to people. It's just one of those tools that has pretty much become like over the years, it has just been adding things, and it's a great tool, but it can be confusing for the uninitiated. And I have recently been really liking what has been coming out of the realm of other content management systems, primarily Squarespace, and Wix is another good one. And there are others out there as well. They used to be you would not typically recommend them in the past, primarily from search engine perspective. That's my background, is search engine optimization. And they always kind of irked me what their abilities were. They just weren't creating websites that were great for being indexed in the search engines, and that is not the case anymore. They're fine. They're fine now. They're just fine. And so I have kind of taken to sites like especially Squarespace, because they have done, I felt like, a nice job of making things easy, as well as making things beautiful and creating a great user experience, both for the users and, quite honestly, for search engines. And so that is why we are here today, is to walk through this tool set. Now, you will notice, maybe you won't notice, but I am watching your comments. Hi, everybody. And I will try to be doing double duty between doing things and watching what you are saying in the comments. So I can see Marcia is here, and Dave is here, and others I can tell are on it as well. This is a series. It is a series, and I don't know how long it's going to go. I don't know if it, I'm quite sure it's going to go longer than today. But I don't know how long it'll go. And you might find that you need a few of these or a couple of these, and you're like, I can take it from here. I will also be archiving these on the SageRock system free members area. Okay. And that is, I will show you right here. Hold on. System dot members. Okay, so there's free courses. The SageMaker system includes many things, but one of the things it includes is a large over 250 hours of marketing training. It costs $19 a month. I can't create links, but please put the link in your video description and refer to it in the comments. Okay, fine. I will do that. Okay. Wow. All the rules, man. All the rules. So here, I will do it right now. So the archives of this can be found here. Okay. So, all right. So now, probably if you refresh the page, which you don't have to do, but if you come back to this YouTube page, you will see the link to the free content at the SageRock system. So there's never any cost for any of this. Okay. This is just a service that I'm offering, mostly inspired by my friend Marcia Got Shirts Marshall, who I don't know, I think maybe wrote me and said she's about ready to commit to a website. And I said, hey, that's great, because I really wanted to do a session on building a website using SquareSpace. And so we are going to be using Marcia Got Shirts Marshall's company. She makes shirts. She's got shirts. And we will be using her shirts, or her company to build this. And the theory is, and what I hope is, that you can feel free to build along if you want. You can watch the sessions and then build something on your own and come back with questions in the following week, however you want to handle it. But what I really, really want is, if you do not have a website, to please get a website. That is the overarching message that I want you to take away from this. There is no reason not to have a web presence today. Squarespace costs money, and it is, how much is it? It is, there's an $8 a month version, and then there's a $16 a month version. Okay. And Marcia has agreed to do the year-long session. She's going to buy the annual. You were going to commit Harry Carey. That's right. I'm scared to try to build a website. Yeah. And that is, Greg is doing some ninja moves in between the lighting. If you saw our office, it's the most absurd thing. We have this big, huge room, and Greg and I are just squished together, and he has to walk in between the lighting. Yeah, it sucks. Yeah, I don't know what it is. We just love each other. We got to stay close. We got to cuddle. I mean, but it's funny to watch him have to like walk in between. I mean, he has to walk on wires. It's funny. Anyways, Greg is my business partner. If you don't know, we do the Tools Show every Thursday at 3:15, thetools.tv. So yes, so please get a website. And Dave, I'm so glad you're here, because if you do what we do, you are going to have a website. So let me tell you this. If you're not beholden to some content management system, like you're like, oh, I really want to use that, then just use this, will you? If you use WordPress.com, it's going to cost about the same price. It is, the whole thing. There's no reason, just use Squarespace, okay? If you're like, well, I'm not sure Squarespace is going to be the right thing, you have the 14-day free trial you can see here. Let me show you this, okay? So this is what we're going to start with. Okay, we are going to start with this this right here with Marcia. Okay, and you are welcome to do it as well. So what you should know is that I clicked. Okay, just so we know where we are. Okay, this is the home page here. And just click this Get Started, okay? And Marcia, you don't have to do anything other than, you know, say, I hate that, or I love that, just something like that, or if I have any questions, okay? So it says, start free today, no credit card required. That's what we are going to do, okay? So first thing up, we are going to choose a template. And what is, and I wanted to mention this, you know, Marcia has said a couple times, she's like, you know, I'm really, Tamara made it, yay, congratulations, I'm so glad you're here. So she said, you know, I'm just scared. I'm intimidated by all of this. And I get that. Because this is, you know, there's a lot of moving parts. You aren't, most of you, probably web developers, and it can seem intimidating. Anything new can seem intimidating. I get it. I totally get it. But what I can tell you is nothing is going to go wrong. You can't do anything wrong. Nothing is going, you aren't, there's no mistakes that you can't undo, okay? All right? So like right here, it says choose your template. You can choose a template. You can switch at any time. Start your free trial today, all right? So that's the first thing I want you to understand is you don't have to, like, if you're like, okay, right now I'm already overwhelmed. There's so many templates. What am I going to do? What I want you to know is you don't worry. Don't worry. Everything is going to be fine. Everything is going to be cool and dandy. I love that Marcia is our chat concierge. That's awesome, Marcia. Thank you for making everyone feel so comfortable. So you can go through here. You can pick anything you'd like. It doesn't matter. A lot of times people will say, well, I don't sell sushi. I don't sell modern living. This does get a little bit tricky because you're like, well, I want to, you know, I have these things and I don't know what, you know, none of them are this. So what I'm going to say here is Marcia is going to be selling shirts. Oh, I love it. You guys are doing so awesome with your chatting. Excellent. Excellent. I love it. I just got to get rid. Hi, everybody. There we go. Good. There we go. So, so I am going to suggest, because Marcia is going to be selling, okay, she's going to be selling shirts, that we pick a store. See, here was store, okay? I like doing this because this is going to be an e-commerce thing, right? Now, what I want you to see here is one of the nice things that SquareSpace has done is they have not given you every option under the sun. They've given you, in my opinion, enough options. And every option is beautiful. Every option that they are offering you, in my opinion, I haven't looked at every single template, obviously. I mean, maybe not obviously, but I haven't. But they have done a really nice job of picking templates that are representative of modern design preferences. And what you need to understand is that design is trendy. It trends, just like fashion, okay? A website that looks cool today is not going to look as cool in a couple years. Or it's just going to go out of, it's just going to become less and less cool. And if Squarespace does its job, they are going to, I hope, always give us templates that will be current and beautiful. Yeah, that's right. Thank you, Marcia. That's good, good, good. Marcia, you're doing wonderful in the comments. Please keep it up. You're so inviting. Yeah, you right, Dave? They're nice, huh? I love them too. Yeah. So at any rate, what we're going to do is I am going to, if it's okay with Marcia, suggest that we pick either Galapagos or Supply, which is the boots, okay? Both of these are what we would classify as very clean. If I have heard it once, I've heard it 100 times. When somebody asks me for a website, they're like, I really want something clean. What they're saying is they want something that is currently trendy, okay? And may I interject, this session is going to go about an hour. We'll go from 3 to 4. And I also, while I'm on the topic of things, we are not going to have a session on the 22nd of April because I'm out of town, okay? I will let you know through Meetup that. I will remind you of that, but I just wanted to let you know. So these are hour-long sessions. We will go until, we'll do week after week. The only one I can't do is April 22nd so far, and I'll remind you of that. But that's why I want you all to just be, make sure that you're on the Meetup, okay? And if you don't know what I'm talking about, just text it here and I'll get you the link. So at any rate, I think we're going to start, if it's okay with you, with the Supply one here, okay? And it says here, view this. And because I think this is going to look really nice with, okay, here comes Greg with his ninja maneuvers. You're welcome to join me here if you want to build a website. Good. You're good. Okay, surprising. All right. So, but again, please keep in mind that we can change this at any time, okay? But look, here are some stores. Oh, look at you. Look at you go, man. They can't see you because they're just looking at designs. Now, they can't even see that. Sorry. I'm just wowing them with SquareSpace designs. One of the things, again, I like about SquareSpace is that their designs are so beautiful. And there are beautiful WordPress designs, but I would say all the designs are so beautiful here, okay? So at any rate, but they're giving you an idea of stores that have used this, okay? Now, Marcia, if you say, look, that's not what I want, it doesn't matter because we can change it. But I'm going to start here. We'll start with this, okay? So here we go. Now, so what I'm going to do is I am going to use Marcia. Got shirts. I always have to say it like that. Marshall. Okay. And I think what I'm going to do just right now is use my Gmail account for this. Because I think what's going to happen is they're going to ask me to verify my email. I will be able to switch this over to your email account, Marcia, or at least add you, all right? So, but I'm going to do that. So here I've put in my username, my email, and my password, okay? Let's see what happens. Create your site, okay? So did you see how easy that was? Did you see? Did you see? Look at there. Welcome to your new SquareSpace site, Marcia Got Shirts. Marshall can change the template at any time. That's right, Marshall. Yes, yes. Glad that's right. You are using the Squarespace 7, our brand new platform. Can you see that okay? Let me see if I can make that and biggen that for you. There you go. We prepared a few simple questions that will help you get started. Let's just do that, okay? Site purpose. Before we start, we will be using this site for personal use or for a business. It doesn't really matter, but we will pick business, okay? Site title. Fill in your title. This will likely be your company name, what did you want to use, Marcia? Did you want to use Got Shirts? Or did you want to use something else? We can change this again. It doesn't really matter. But, it's kind of like the Got, the Got Milk thing, which is cool. I will say that, can I change the name? Yeah. Yeah, of course you can. Absolutely you can. And we will do that. You can do anything that I'm doing here can be undone. So fear not. And so I think what I'm going to do is, I know there's always a delay with the chat. And so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with got shirts. Now, I can tell you that the got milk people have sometimes been a little protective of their got thing. You know, I knew I had a friend actually that she actually took the whole got milk thing and used it for women that breastfeed. So I don't know. You know, I don't know if got shirts. Oh, it'll be got Christ. Okay, good. I like it. Got Christ. Excellent. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Excellent. Well, that's good. Got Christ. Good. Excellent. Let's just do that. Good. So optional. I'm going to leave this out, okay, for right now. This would be if you had a business location, but I'm going to just skip this. And again, this can all be done later. All be done later. Okay. All right. Now, here we go. So do you see what's happening first of all? So what? Okay. Whoa, calm down, screen. So one of the things that I love about this is this is, yeah, it's for Christian shirts. I love it. Okay, that's good. So this right out of the gate, without you having to even think about it, is going to be responsive, meaning that the site is going to do well both on a, hold on. It's going to do well both on a phone, a tablet, or a desktop. This is a huge issue right now in the world. The Google is really cracking down on sites that are not mobile. And right out of the gate, anything you pick on, I just want to make sure that I'm not missing anything here. Okay, that's your registered. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I just want to make sure. Free account. Oh, good. Okay, good. I just wanted to double check my email just to make sure somebody wasn't like, I can't watch the awesome show. Anyways, so okay, so here we have already started the process. Okay, so but what I'm going to do here is I want to show you the help section. I want to click on help because I want you to feel free, you know, to like, you know, getting started, like here, choosing the right template, getting started with SquareSpace, working with demo content, creating a multilingual, I can't even say it. I can't even be one lingual. Yeah, so we're going to just stick with the single lingual. Single lingual. Can I duplicate it? Anyways. You can, so, you know, there's all kinds of things here, like working with demo content. When you get started with a SquareSpace template, you'll see removable demo content in your site. Demo content shows you how your template will reach your site's full potential. Our design team has carefully created text and blah, blah, blah. What is demo content? Demo is the images and text that appear in your template's example. We provide demo content to illustrate how to use a template and the type of site it's well suited for. Although our templates are designed to be adapted for many uses, the demo content highlights template strengths and unique features and so forth. Why do we have it? You know, who creates it? Who wants to know all this? Who cares? Can I use your demo content? No, it's licensed exclusively for the use on the templates. You'll have to get, if you like to use stock images, we offer integration with Getty Images. So check this out, party people. Using Getty Images with SquareSpace. With our, and this is, I don't know if this is new, but I do know. Yeah, right? Marcia, it's going to be great. Your site is going to be great right out of the gate on smartphones, desktops, and the whole thing. So it says here, this is really cool. This is another really cool thing about SquareSpace. With our partnership with Getty Images, you can license editorial and stock photography for your site. In SquareSpace 7, most image uploaders have a new option where you can search Getty image collections and add images to your site, okay? So what you do is you search it, you preview it, and you license it. It's $10, okay? License an image from Getty directly through SquareSpace. We'll charge the same credit card you use for your site. See how easy they make it? Each image is $10. That's what's nice about this. Just $10. It's a flat fee, which is a great price for a beautiful Getty image. After buying it, you'll have a high resolution version and keep and use anywhere on your site. Licensed images are tied to the site. If you have multiple SquareSpaces under one account, it's not possible. Okay. Am I eligible to add Getty images? You must have an active website on Squarespace. The Getty images integration is not available on trial websites. If your SquareSpace 7 site billing is linked to SquareSpace 5, you need to unlink it, blah, blah, blah. Terms of service, and so forth. So isn't that awesome? I mean, this is one of the things that I think causes people to get hung up. They're like, well, how am I going to make it beautiful? Well, there you go. I will also say this. A place that I use is what is it called? Dollar Image Club, I think. What? Family Dollar. Thank you. Yes. I go to Family Dollar and they sell images. And no, not Family Dollar. I use Dollar Photo Club. And this costs me $10 a month, but I can get images for $1 each. And so if you would like, if you have images that you could go in here and you could be like, Sage, can you buy me that image? And I will buy it for you because it'll only cost you $1. I'll eat the $10 membership for you fine people. I might even give you a free image. Who even knows? Who even knows what I might do? So Dollar Photo Club, go over there. That's $1. That's 10% of $10. So there you go. So there you go. Clicking into demo content. Clicking a demo content page or edit annotation brings up a window with the option of delete page or create using the same block layout. Okay. So, and then it says after you remove demo content, it will stay in the recycle bin for 30 days. Yeah, right? $10 is very reasonable. Yes, yes, indeed. Yes, it is. Dave, yes, indeed. So you can restore the demo content at any time during this period. Okay. And then restoring deleted pages on the help here. Okay. There you go. So there's great things here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on that picture. And you can see here that it is showing me products that they have put in here, okay? So here, for example, are different products that you can kind of go around. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm now over on the left-hand side, and I clicked on Pages, and you can see here that now I'm going through different pages. Like I have men's and I have women's and so forth, okay? So, and then I have secondary navigation, which is about and blog. So here, look at this. So let's actually, it might be a little bit easier to start with an about page because this page is a pretty basic page, okay? So what I can do here is I can, if I'm hovering over this, you can see on the top here, I have a button called, what do you think of Unsplash or PicMonkey for free and paid pics? Dave, honestly, I don't know. If I've never used them. So they could be awesome. I really appreciate the link. I will definitely check it out. As long as you don't, so here's the thing. If you are creating a commercial website, okay? If you are creating a commercial website, you should, I believe, definitely pay for your images or take your own pictures. You don't want to risk using pictures that you have stolen off of the web for your commercial website. Now, this is a bigger topic than just this. So, like, blogging, I mean, people are stealing pictures all the time, but do not steal pictures for your main website, okay? It's just, Just risky is all. It's just risky behavior, right? All right. So here what you can do is I'm going to click on settings, modifying the demo content. To edit demo content, you must first make a page like this. Okay. So then if I do edit, so each of those links, I was wondering if each would be the same, but they are. So it says here, to edit demo content, you must first create a page like this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just click create. Okay. So here we are. So now we have a page called About Our Shop. And what you can see here is there is no fancy HTML. There's nothing going on here. I'm going to say about got Christ. Okay. So images in this template are used with permission by need supply. Okay. So here, look at there, like that's a hyperlink right there, and I can remove that if I want. So I'm going to say something like this. Got Christ is all about, what did you say? Giving you the coolest shirts in Christianity. Now you see I'm making this all up, right? Okay. So Jesus is alive and well today. We are just spreading the word through cool, I'm going to say t-shirts? I don't know, right? So anyways, you get the idea, don't you? Do you get the idea? So here, now look, here is a image block, okay? And what I'm going to do here is I am going to edit this. Oh, wait. Actually, hold on. I don't want to edit it. I want to remove it. And I want to add an image. And all I've done here is I remove that image and I'm clicking this. Do you see how I'm doing this? I click this image and then I have some pictures that Marcia's given me. Okay, extra large icons. And I think what I'm going to use is this one. I'm going to use this one here. Okay. All right. And what if I stretch it? Nah, maybe not. What about light boxing it? Nah, I think I'm just going to do this. Just do regular, okay? So there, okay. So now you can see here that we have this picture, and this is great. See, we're on a roll here. Now, but what I can tell you is, like, as I look at this, oh, you like it? Oh, good. I'm so good. Okay. Yeah, you'll edit later. Right. Yeah, please. Yes, that's the whole point of this, is that you will come in. I will just give you some stuff that you can go in and edit. So here, and then you can see here, I can come in and I can edit all of this stuff. And all I'm doing, everybody, is I am just clicking and then I can edit it. That's another thing I love about this. I love this because it is so easy. See? And now I'm clicking save. Okay. And so now, look, now you go to the home page. What's this 3 say? Lock screens. Please don't have to build customized lock. Anyways. All right. So now look at that. Do you see how now, can you see that if I make it bigger? That now the about page no longer says demo buy it. See how awesome that is? It's amazing. So here, now what I can do is use the controls above your site preview to either delete this page or make your own. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my own. Okay. And it's right here. This is the page. Okay. Actually, I changed my mind. I am going to just delete this. Yes. Are you sure you want to remove this product? Yes. So what I want you to know is that if you recall, there was a place where if we delete something, we can go back and retrieve it. And I forget exactly where. Is it under advanced import? I can't remember. I cannot remember. But we will find it. We will, I promise you. So at any rate, these here, and then are all the things that we can do. And then if you notice this little plus sign right here, I can press this plus sign, and you can see here that these are the things that I can create: a page, a product, a cover page, a folder, an album, an index. I don't know what that is, a blog, a gallery, a link. So look, product, pow, new product. So then I can do shirts. See, shirts. Okay, there you go. Now, here, this list contains no item. Click here to add your first item. See there? So here, it's a package must be shipped by the merchant, digital. So these are all the different kinds of products that you can have. Digital will send the customers to a secure link that will file to the file lasting 24 hours. Service, a service must be rendered. Services do not have shipping costs applied. So in our case, we are using physical. See there? Okay, do you see it? So here, it's showing you what you can do. So you can add tracks. They're just showing you all the different things that you can put in. See? Got it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here is I am going to upload a picture. And I'm just going to click on this. I'm going to use Saved with Amazing Grace. Okay? There it is. Okay? Pow. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it Saved with Amazing Grace t-shirt. There. And the price will be, I don't know, I'm going to say $25. What do you think of that? And I could have a sale price of $15. And you see here, I could change. I could be like, hey, it's on sale. It's on sale. See? I could be like, oh my God, it's on sale. And then, do you see what it's doing, people? Do you see how it now has crossed out the 25 and put in the 15? It says the demo said go to recycle bin. Oh, good. You see, there you go, Dave. See, you guys don't even need me. See, there you go. Good. How many in stock? Let's say we have 25. Or you could do unlimited, whatever you want. But what I would like to recommend is perhaps by chance, if you, oh, swag for sure. Oh my gosh. That's so smart, Marcia. That's genius. You can potentially use your shopping cart as your inventory manager. Just run it all out of here, and that way you'll know, like you'll be able to see if you're running low, see? So I'm going to just say 25 in here, right? 25. Weight, we could say uno, 1, okay? Because, or you could say 0.5, but I'll just say 1, okay? And dimensions, length, length could be like, let's say, I don't know, 6 inches by 12 inches by 1 inch. And the reason I'm doing this is because, and you could say, okay, we could just call this swag. See here, we can add SKU number if we want. We can do swag. Are we able to add in promo codes to the pricing? Yes, we can do that later, for sure, for sure. We'll call this swag 01, okay? You must define at least one option, color and size, before adding the product. Okay, okay, I got it. Where do I do that? Oh, here, item. There, okay. Additional info, write it here. Options, shirts, use a custom, make it featured. Where do I do that? Item. Hold on. Okay. Let's see. Pricing and variance. Let's see here. Option name. Okay, look. So here, option name. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say size. Oops. Size. Save option. And then what I can do here is, then I could be like small. See? Then here I could do medium. Then I could do large. See how I'm doing this? Isn't this genius? Then I can do X large. See how this is? Am I blowing your minds here? I love it. Actually, now I'm going to change it from swag SM. Okay? I'm going to do swag SM, swag M, MM. I'll call it swag MM. Actually, I'll do swag dash. So it'll make it easier. See SKUs. So now if you have products you're reselling, you might find that you might find that you'll just use their SKUs, whatever you like. LG. LG. Do you see how easy they're making this, people? I just push a thing and it opens. XLG. Yeah, baby. Okay. So there. Now I can click save. See? Okay. Now look. Let me blow your mind. Okay. Look at here. Here's a page. Swag, which I love. Very clever. Very clever. Yes, Dave, isn't it cool? I picked the size, X large, quantity, add to cart. Kapow! I have added it to my cart. Do you realize that you have just created a shopping cart? You have the whole doodad. It's amazing. Isn't it amazing? I'm amazed. Anyways. Okay, hold on. What am I doing? Wait a second. Oh, wait. Okay. So now we have shirts, which incidentally, I think, okay, is a product. So what I need to do now is I need to figure out, this is shirts, Getty Images, set as a home page. I could make this the home page if I would like. Wouldn't that be neat? Okay. Now what I want to know, wait. Just calm down. I will save it's fine. I will save it. Okay, so here, it's not listed. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to figure out how to list it. Settings. Hidden, not visible in your storefront. Oh my lordy, it needs to be visible. See, do you see that? Do you see what I did there? I pressed it visible. Yay, I know, Marcia, right? You are going to be selling t-shirts within the week. All right. So here, now, do you see what I've done? I have a page called shirts, and it is linking to my product. So there, let's make another one, shall we? Shall we? Of course we shall. Of course. Let's add a product, you see? Let's add another one. Okay. You are about to surpass one product, which was required to choose professional plan to launch your store with all products. Otherwise, you can delete the products and stay in the lower. Okay. So they are just letting you do. Okay. Actually, I think they're still giving me my free trial, which is good. That's good. That's what I want. So let's use this one. Okay. So here. Now, oh, wait. Can I duplicate this? Can I edit? Add a product. Options, visible. Duplicate, yes. See what I did there, everyone? I don't know how I got here, but okay. So I'm going to just walk you through. A week or so. Oh, Marsha, I could have you selling shirts today. Okay, so I'm on this page. Now, what is this? Add product. Add product. I don't know. I'm going to press it. I'm going to press it. What does that mean? You're about to surpass 2 products. Yeah, fine. That's fine. Physical. Okay, there we go. Nope, 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 nope. Delete. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I want to duplicate it. You know why? Because then I don't have to redo my I don't have to redo all my fancy like small, medium, and large stuff. See? You see it right here? See this button right here? I was under settings, okay? And I'm clicking duplicate. You're about to, yeah, it's fine. I'm fine with that. Okay, now, copy of. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do this. Does this one have a clever name? I'm going to call it Got Cross. I don't know. You probably have a better name. Okay. And what I'm going to do here is I'm not going to make it hidden. I'm going to make it visible. And you can see it's $25. See? So you see there? You see how fast I just did that? Do you see what I did? Now I need to delete this other one, right? Ooh, wait. Settings. I don't want to call it copy of. I want to call it Got Cross. Wait, what did I do? Wait a second. Hold on. What's going on? Hold on. Hold on. Uh-oh, I might have gotten rid of it. It's okay. Oh, no, I didn't. It's fine. It's fine. Just didn't refresh. Okay, so now I'm going to delete the other one. Okay. Confirm. Yes. Okay. So now, party people, we have 2 products. 2 products, everyone. Got cross. You like it? All right. All right. You and I, we're getting each other. I love it. So then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to duplicate it. Yes, I know. I've reached my limit. Now I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do walking billboard for Christ. That's pretty good. There you go. Walking billboard for Christ. There you go. And again, I'm not making it hidden. I'm making it visible. For $25, 4 variations. I can add, I can tag it. I can put in categories, but I don't know that we need to necessarily at this point because, I don't know how many products we've got so far. Like I think maybe we've only got a few, but we can again do all of that later. Okay. And you see here, now we have it. Let's do one more, shall we? Of course we shall. Do you see how awesomely awesome this is, everyone? Duplicate, duplicate, rah, rah, duplicate. Yes. We're going to do one more shirt. Okay. Got Christ. Like it. Like it. Call it Got Christ t-shirt. Okay. 4 variations, $25. It is visible. You can also schedule things. Did you notice that? You could be like, all right, we're going to launch a shirt on Christmas morning. How about that? Easter morning, Good Friday. And then you don't have to, you don't have to like turn it on that day. You just be like, all right, that day it turns on. There you go, people. There you go. Okay. So now you can see here that they have, I'm going to show you like, there's all different kinds of pages here. You can see here that they've put in, they have these, right? But I'm going to get rid of all these other ones because we don't need them. I'm going to just get rid of them. But what I want you to notice about this is these images have these nice white backgrounds, which I don't know if they shot them like that or what. But what I can tell you is, wait a second. I'm going to delete it. Yes. Confirm. Save. I'm just going to get rid of all these this demo stuff because we don't need it, people. We don't need it. Okay. Delete, delete, delete. Yes, delete. Okay. Okay. There you go. So here we have our pages. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this page and I'm going to see about like what kind of picture options there are and that sort of thing. Okay. Let's see here. Is everybody doing awesome? Are you doing great? Okay, good. What I can tell you is this, that the way you get good at this stuff is just to do it. Just one thing at a time, okay? One piece at a time. And now here, what I'm doing now is I'm at the top. So here, wait, discard, that's fine. So now I'm at pages and I'm at shirts. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a description. We are always trying to offer the coolest shirts you can find in Christianity. Jesus would want it this way. Because let's get real, everybody. Jesus would have worn cool t-shirts. Guarantee it. Would Jesus have worn khakis and a button down? I think not. He would have worn like Grateful Dead t-shirts with the rainbows. That's what I think. I don't know. Actually, I don't know. I don't know anything. I don't know about anything about Jesus or Grateful Dead. So I don't know. So at any rate, there you go. So now, okay, so now, look at here. So what I'm going to do, oh wait, actually watch this. I'm going to go back into the saved with, okay. Now, I am going to click on this image, I think. Am I going to do this? Settings. Okay. What I wanted to try and do is I wanted to try and show you how I can edit this. I wanted to show you how I can edit this picture. Let's see here. 1 second. Where is it? All right. Hold on. Okay, wait. I'm on the wrong page. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to go to pages. I'm going to go to shirts. I'm going to go to this shirt here, the Saved with Amazing Grace, the swag one. Okay. And I'm going to go into settings. And you can see here, you can add tags and categories and so forth. You can also add a thumbnail image if you want. Let's see what that looks like. Let's do that. So what it's doing there is it's actually taking your image and doing a little thumbnail. And I don't know where that thumbnail goes in this particular design. Okay. Now, let's keep going back. So there's all kinds of things that you can do in here. And let's go back to design, and we can go to logo. Okay, so let me just show you what we're doing here. Now we're in design. So we were in pages, and now I clicked on design. Okay, and I'm going to click on logo and title. All right, I'm going to click on this. And it says upload a logo to be used in place of your site title. But you might be like, oh my gosh, I don't have that. Right here, create a new logo, people. Create a logo. Look at this. Look at this. Enter your name below to get started. Got Christ. There. Okay. Okay. Search for symbols. let's do Christ. Let's see what they got. Huh, look at that. There's some nice images, but we want something cool. I don't want just your run of the mill. Ooh, I kind of like this one. Or this one. Ooh, this one. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, there you go. See there? Let's see. Got cross. Yeah, okay. Hold on. What was that? Christian shirts, even Jesus would wear. No, how about this? What would Jesus wear? I don't know. Is that sacrilegious? I don't know. What do I know? I don't know anything. But here, look. So, see here what I can do? What would Jesus wear? I kind of like that. I don't know. But again, I am just going to say I am not the person to ask about sacrilegious things. Okay? So here, look at that. Do you like it? Then, look at here, font style. What I like here is, look at that. It's making business cards for you. And then your website. And then your own t-shirt. What would Jesus wear? Okay. Are we able to add it in the promo codes and the pricing? Oh, are we able to add? Oh, yeah. You want to? Oh, wait. Did you ask that? I'm sorry. Oh, you like it. Oh, Marcia, you're so easygoing. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Okay. So here is a pretty nice logo. Okay. I'm going to say save logo. I like it. I think. Do I like it? Yeah, I think I like it. Download high res. Download low. I'm going to do download low res. Email yourself a link so you can come back and edit at any time. Okay, I will. Thank you. Okay, here we go. There, an error occurred. Great. That's good. That's nice. Good. Error occurred. Good. I'll just go back to editing. Okay, so now I have my logo. So check it, people. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this. What I need to do is hold on. Hold on. I want to put this in Marcia's folder because I will forget where it is. I'll be like, what did I do with that amazing Marcia Got Shirts Marshall logo? What did I do with that? I will say to myself. And then I will not know. So hold on. 1 second here, please. Date. Where is it? Where's Marcia Got Shirts logo? There it is. I love it, people. I think that's award winning. That's going to win awards, people. That right there, award winning. Document. Wait, here I am in documents. Go to Marcia Got Shirts Marshall. Where is she? Buyers. You probably are all like, it's right there. Wait, no, it's not. It's under pictures. Why did I put it under pictures? There we go. That's all. That's it. Okay. Add a logo. There you go. What would Jesus wear? I think that's going to win. I think that people are going to, what would Jesus wear? A t-shirt, people. Jesus would wear a t-shirt. That's all I have to say. Okay. Add a favicon. Let's see. What if I do this? Is that too big? Let's see here. Yeah, that'll be fine. Whatever. Okay. Do you love it or do you love it? Okay, let's see here. Let's see how it looks. Let's see. Create a new logo. All right. What would Jesus wear? That's all I want to know. Okay. Okay. Let's see here. Now, I don't believe I have, there it is. There it is. Look. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Why is it so small? I need a bigger logo, people. All right. Hold on. Okay. All right, so let's see here. Let's go to design. Okay. Logo. Okay. Create a new logo. I did that. Yes, I did it. I did it. Let's see here. And here you can see I can edit right in here if I want. I can edit my logo if I want. I can do that. Okay. All right. Good, good, good. I don't know why it's so small. Wait, maybe get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Okay, save. Let me get rid of that. Let's see if that helps. Why is it so small? That is driving me batty. Oh, it's required field. Got it. Christ. All right. So this is one of these things. So this is an interesting situation in that, all right, maybe the site isn't even ready yet because like I think maybe I still have to do more stuff. But sometimes you're like, oh man, this template doesn't do exactly what I want. Okay, good. It's simple and clean. Oh, good, 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 good. Oh my gosh, it's 4 o'clock. All right, everybody. So what I want you to do, your homework, ladies and gentlemen, if you should accept it, is to try what we have done today. If you do not have a website, so you can see I have not added a credit card. There is no obligation. I thought we were going to have to, but we didn't have to. We didn't even have to. So please give this a try. If you haven't done it following along, which I think makes sense, please go in here, go through here. We are going to meet the exact same time next week, 3 o'clock Eastern time. And we are going to continue the process. I will also be putting this video up on the SageRock system free members area, okay, so that you can access it there as well. And we will continue the process. We are going to get more involved in the commerce and that sort of thing. Marcia, I am going to, after this session, add you to this. Either give you access to it or I'm hoping to add you as a user. That's my goal. But I'm not going to do that in this just because we don't need to do that as a group, I don't think. But I will follow up with a link for you to get in here and try it, okay? And we should all have a domain name. But we're going to talk about domains in a little bit. You do have a domain, Marcia, but we can talk about domains next week, which I think would be good. If you do not have a domain, here, I'll show you really quickly. So if you do not have a domain name, you can get a domain name here in SquareSpace. Marcia has one from GoDaddy, and we're going to connect it, okay? So we will do that. Now, what you should understand is, I will try. Great presentation. Thank you, Dave. Thank you very much. Can't do it. Ugh. Okay, hold on. How about this? .com. Rocky wants to FaceTime me. That's perfect. I will talk to her. Okay, I am going to, I still can't do it. All right, they won't let me. They won't contain links. They're like, no links. Okay, all right. My kid or my wife is FaceTiming me, and so I'm going to talk to them here. So I'm going, hey kid, hold on one second, buddy. So we're going to stop this broadcast. Please, please, please come back next week when we continue this thrilling saga. Bring your questions. And my goal here is to give you all a website, okay? Please, please get a website. What are you, falling down? Peace, brother. Okay, everybody, thank you so much, and I will see you all next week.